In this video, we will talk about redundant switch supervisors. Redundant switch supervisors in Cisco switches provide high availability and reliability by allowing two or more supervisor modules to operate in the same switch. So if the active supervisor fails, the standby automatically takes over and minimizes the downtime. So these redundant switch supervisors ensures uninterrupted operation by switching to the standby one in case of a failure, and it also improves network reliability and service continuity. In some configurations, redundant supervisors can share the load to optimize performance as well, and typically involve setting up redundancy protocols and configurations specific to the switch model. So redundant supervisor models enhance Cisco switch reliability by providing failover capability and high availability in summary. So mainly we have three different redundancy modes, and they are RPR, RPR Plus, and the SSO. So RPR mode provides active standby redundancy. Here the active supervisor handles all traffic and switching functions, while the standby one remains idle, ready to take over if the active one fails. Okay, so typically failover can take a few seconds, resulting in brief network interruptions. RPR Plus is very much similar to RPR but with improved failover capabilities. It includes stateful switchover features that minimize the impact of failovers. So failover time is generally faster than RPR, reducing the network interruptions during the failover. And lastly, we have the SSO, that is stateful switchover. So this mode provides active redundancy with stateful failover. So here the both supervisors are active and share the workload, and if one fails, the other takes over seamlessly, retaining the state of the network, including active sessions and configurations. And here the failover time is very quick, often with no disruption to the network services. So in summary, RPR is active standby mode with potential brief disruptions during failover. RPR Plus, that is the enhanced RPR with improved failover performance. And SSO, it is the active mode with minimal or no disruption. And lastly, let's talk about the non-stop forwarding. Non-stop forwarding is a Cisco technology that enhances network resilience by ensuring continuous data forwarding during a supervisor failover in switches and routers. So non-stop forwarding allows traffic to continue being forwarded even if the active supervisor fails and the standby supervisor takes over. So it maintains the forwarding state information such as routing tables across the failover to minimize packet loss and disruption. So typically non-stop forwarding works with stateful switchover for even greater reliability by preserving both state and forwarding information. So the configuration requires specific settings and support on both the switch and the connected devices to enable NSF. Alright guys, that's it from my side for this section, and thank you so much for joining me.